So I thought I'd just do a video on how to fix a heat issue on a 4th generation Dodge Ram. This is a 2010 model. I believe it's the same on other similar models. I've had this before, but it's happened again.
Mode after 5 minutes.
And it always seems to occur in the winter when you need the heat the most. And what happens is your heat, even when you run high, it will come out through one side but not the other. So in this case my passenger side is hot but my driver's side vents are all cold, and that's the face vents and the floor vents, they're all the same. And if you put it on windshield as well, it's cold. It's just there's a valve that controls the heat going side to side, because on these you have independent side climate control, and that valve gets stuck. The servo forgets which position it's in, and then it just tries to push itself against the stop in the wrong direction, and there's no way to reset it. Now there is a sequence you can do, which is to hold, well, to put this onto setting 1 first, and then hold it down for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let go of it, and then hold it down for 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it'll start to flash. And this is the heating control reset procedure. So it syncs up all the servos and the valves with the electronic control unit, and it's supposed to reset it. And it does fix some things, but on this one it doesn't. And you can hear now the servo clicking. And this servo is underneath the glove box. You just push these tabs in and put it down, and you can see it just about there, this unit here, and you can feel it clicking. And this white tab is the valve, and the black servo here is what controls the valve, and that divides the heat between right side and left side. And what's happened is it's in the down position. Underneath you can see that little white tab at the bottom there is against a black plastic stop, and it's basically stuck in that position. So what's happening is the servo is trying to push it down, but it can't because the black stop's in the way. So you need to take this servo motor off, push the white valve up into the up position, then put the servo back on, and then it can open and close it properly. It just gets stuck in this right side position, and the only way to reset it is to remove the servo and put it back in. So I'll do a quick video. Okay, so the light's a bit better here. See, this is the servo motor, and that is the valve actuator. And as you can see, there's a black plastic stop there and another one here. And it just moves between these two positions. But it's stuck in the down position. We need to pull the motor off, reset it to the up position, and then put the motor back in, and then it will allow it to open and close properly. So you need to do that by unplugging this connector. If I can do it with one hand. Just pull that out, and then take these 2 screws out. They're just Phillips head short screws. You need a short stubby screwdriver like this. And then what I'll do is I'll video again once I've taken that off. So it does just pull straight out. It's just a little plastic splined cog. Nothing's broken, it just pulls straight out of there. And then all you need to do is move this into the up position, refit this, sorry, bad angle there. So just put it back in, and then put the screws back in, reconnect the connector, and it should work. Now that it's back on, when you do the heating control reset, you should be able to see that it will now move. There you go. Now it works properly between both positions, so that means you should now be able to control your heat between the 2 sides, and you're not going to get that clicking noise. The clicking noise is the giveaway. That tells you that the motor has forgotten its position. And now I have heat out of both sides. So hopefully that fixes your lack of heating on one side on your Dodge Ram.